Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac. Today I'm in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm actually standing on Lookout Mountain. Lookout Mountain is the farthest south mountain still in the Appalachian mountain chain. Over my right shoulder here is the city of Chattanooga. I am right now at 2,100 feet, which is the same elevation effectively as Spokane. But we see downtown, the central business district, near the river, because you have to think about people wanting to be next to the waterway, next to that transportation system 150 years ago, back before the Civil War. So that flat land right next to the river, that river has a very low slope. It's easy still today to transport goods along that riverway. Then to the south here, you can see the more recent construction, the warehouses, the one-level warehouses. They like that flat ground so they don't have to lift stuff up and bring it back down again. And over here you can see a interstate highway coming through. So Chattanooga actually has a couple different interstates right next to it. Some are headed both east-west and north-south. And then we have right next to the interstate, we have a railroad. And we have a second railroad that's in the trees here, a little harder to see. And in the distance, you see a little bit of a ridge of brown trees. That ridge comes all the way across. It's just a little bit of a bump, and it goes well off to the left, upstream of Chattanooga, upstream on the Tennessee River. You can see just a little bit of the cut as the Tennessee River comes through that ridge. Way back in the background, in the gray, just barely at the horizon, you can see a little bit of the Appalachian Mountains. All right, so there you have a little bit of physical geography, some urban geography, some cultural geography. Enjoy geography, folks. Have a good day, Dr. Matthew.